How's it going, everyone? Thanks for joining me on today's Bitcoin video. Big things are coming for Bitcoin. We've had a lot of consolidation, and there's one metric that I want to show you in this video that's going to prove that we're going to be seeing some pretty significant moves coming for Bitcoin. The only question at this point is whether we're heading up or down. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about exactly what we're looking for on Bitcoin. With that, let's jump into the charts. Thanks for joining me today on the TradeConfident.io website. We're going to scroll over to Bitcoin. The first metric we're looking at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index, and we just barely missed the anxious reading here. This happened just a few days ago right here as the price bottomed out right here. We just barely missed anxious before moving back up in price. As the price seems to be increasing, we will be looking for a move back up into possibly excited territory. And once we reach that, that's when we're looking for the next move down. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector. This is what I talked about in the intro. We are just about in low volatility. And you'll see historically, whenever we see low volatility readings in Bitcoin, this is where we're seeing major moves in the market. See, especially right here, absolutely wild move up. So as we move back into low volatility, the only question is, are we heading up like crazy or down like crazy? Well, looking at the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric, we can see that we do have long trade sentiment. So more than likely, we could be seeing moves up. And this is actually supported in the live data too. So stick around for that. However, it's not really until we see a value of around 800 to 1,000 that we're really looking for those big moves up. So that's what I'm pulling for over the next week or so on Bitcoin. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. The main structural resistance we have is $31,443, with the main support being $28,473. These are the two levels that I'm looking at. If we drop to 28,473, I think we're going to actually bounce straight up off of that. However, the next test of the $31,000 level, I think, could be a breakout to the upside. We'll keep you updated on that, but first we need to look at the Bitcoin long versus short trades chart. As usual, long trades are still way above short trades in the market, and this means that even if we drop in the short term, long-term Bitcoin has a bright future ahead of it. Last but not least, here's the Bitcoin trade signals. We just got a sell signal a couple of days ago, and this came as we topped out right here, retesting that $31,000, nearly $500 level. We saw a sharp drop from there, and since then we've been consolidating. With that, we could see a little bit of a move down, but just as I said earlier, the farthest that I'm thinking we could go is that $28,000 level. Now, even if you don't trade Bitcoin, these metrics are essential to any crypto trader, because where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the crypto market is going to go too. This is the main factor that we're typically looking at when we're looking at moves up in altcoins and anything else like that. So if you want to get access to Bitcoin, if you want to get access to right here, our 40 win, 0 loss scalping trades, if you want to get access to our future forecast video, there's going to be one coming out tomorrow. Do not miss out. Travis is posting some members only content here. You're going to want to grab our membership. You can join us at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you straight to our homepage. Just move up here to click subscribe, fill out your information here, and I highly recommend the full access for $59 a month, because this gives you all the features I just mentioned and more. Just go ahead and click choose, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are on the live charts looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. We got the TC top and bottom finder price versus wild money flow and trend exhaustion indicators loading up, and things are beginning to look more bullish. The trend exhaustion is heading into its bottom red territories. This by itself is bullish, but we're also seeing whale money moving back into the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and we're already seeing a green candle to correlate. Typically, when we see whale money moving into the market, especially when we see the trend exhaustion low, this is highly bullish. And at this point, the only thing that could be more bullish is if we get a buy signal right about here. If we get all three of those signals, that's when we're looking for an absolutely insane move up. I think it's very possible through the rest of this week that we are going to move up to retest structure resistance at $31,524. I don't think that's a stretch at all. If not, I think it's just straight back to the $28,473 level as structure support. My reason here is because whale money does still have plenty of room to move down, and even if there's some slight bad news, it's very likely that the price is going to drop to that level. But personally, I do not expect it to fall any lower than that, and from there, I would be expecting a move straight back up to the $31,524 level. And if we do break out above that structure resistance, if we scroll out here, you're going to see another line. There's a ton of structure resistance at this level, and this is at $36,980. There's very little between these two price levels, and that's why this is my next target if we do break to the upside. Crazy moves are incoming. We need to be paying attention to exactly what's happening and following whale money, where that's going, seeing where the trends are going to be exhausted, and paying attention to these buy and sell signals. This is how our traders are succeeding. This is how we earned our 40-win streak in 2023. And if you want to get access to these tools so you can do it too, you can grab the indicators at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it's going to be the second link here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our store page. Click I want this, fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Just go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get $400 off your purchase of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. Once the indicators are loaded up on your chart, once again, we're just seeing price versus whale money flow moving up, showing whale money is moving into the market while trend exhaustion is down. This is bullish divergence, and we should be seeing moves up pretty quickly here to our structure resistance at $31,524. If whales go really crazy, I think we could see a move as high as $36,980. Anywhere in between that is fair game. If whales begin moving money out of the market, it's more likely that we're going to drop to the $28,473 level, but I do expect a bounce from that all the way back up to $31,000. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and we'll see you in the next video.